Welcome students, Standard 8th Sanskrit. See on page number 35, Namani part 1 we are discussing. So regarding words in Sanskrit we were discussing. So listen, parts of speech you are knowing in other languages also parts of speech are there in English. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These parts of speech you are knowing, like that in Sanskrit also. Parts of speech are there. Just some different names are there. Nama, noun. Sarvanam, pronoun. Kriyapadam, verb. Visheshanam, adjective. Kriya Visheshanam, adverb. And for the preposition, conjunction and interjection, one only name is there. These are avyayani. Okay. Prepositions are related to these vibhaktis. Prathama to Sambodhanam. Total 8 vibhaktis are there. Men Prathama to Saptami only. 7 vibhaktis cases, and Sambodhanam is not separate vibhakti, it is related to Prathama only, because Prathama doesn't have any preposition. Even Sambodhanam, any preposition is not added. When we call somebody, for example, O teacher, O sir, AI, for example, then this vibhakti is used in Sanskrit. So, very first Namani, we will discuss Namani part 1. Nama means Vastu Sthana Nama Darshakaha Shabdaha. So, in general definition, last time only I discussed with you name of any thing, any place is called Nama. Noun. For example, Sudha Khandaha means chalk, Mapika, scale, Shala, school, Deshaha, country. Then see Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam means Shabdasya Moolam Rupam. For example, Deva, Vana, Mala, Asmad, Yushmad, Ityadayaha. Deva, God, Vana, forest, Mala, garland. These are nouns, but Asmad, Yushmad, these are pronouns in Sanskrit. Asmad is related to Uttamaha Purushaha. In English, I, we, these pronouns we get, first person pronouns. So, I, we means only Asmad, and second person pronouns in English, you means only Yushmad in Sanskrit. वाक्य रचनायां मूल शब्दस्य प्रातिपदिकस्य उपयोगः न क्रियते. means what? When we frame any sentence, for example in English, when we frame the sentence, certain words we need, even one verb we need, then only we can make the sentence, or that sentence will become meaningful. At least one verb is needed, and other words means noun we can use, or in place of noun pronoun also we can use. Preposition we are using. For example, one simple sentence I am telling, I go to school. Suppose this sentence is there. See, I go to school. I, this is pronoun. Go verb, and to school, school noun, and to this is preposition. If we make the phrases, then I, pronoun, actually noun was there, one name was there. In place of that name, I is used. Okay? So it can be noun phrase or pronoun phrase. I is there, so pronoun phrase. As a subject, we can use any noun also. For example, Ramesh goes to school. If this sentence I give, then Ramesh noun phrase we will get. And here goes we will get, because Ramesh subject is third person singular, that's why goes. But here I first person singular, so go we are getting. Go verb phrase, verb it is. And to school, see, it is adverb phrase. In this phrase, main word is school, and this preposition is added, to preposition. Okay? And school is noun only, na? Common noun. So it is main word. School is main word. And in Sanskrit, main word is called Pratipadikam. I think you understood meaning of Pratipadikam. I go to school. To school. Main word school. But something is added here. This preposition is added. To. And this preposition is related to which vibhakti that you are knowing? Dvitiya. To. Here also to is used or it is added. But function is different. When you give something, then it is Chaturthi. But if you are going somewhere, then Dvitiya only you have to use. So this is Dvitiya only, to school. Okay? School is a main word. So it is called Pratipadikam. Sanskrit examples we will see. Then you will understand very well. Okay? See. Vibhakti Rupani. Vakyarthanusaram Shabdanam Vividhani Rupani Bhavanti. Tani Vibhakti Rupani iti Uchchante. Vakyarthanusar Shabdanam. Vakyartha means meaning of the sentence. Shabdanam Vividhani Rupani Bhavanti. Different forms of words we get according to meaning. Those are called Vibhakti Rupani. Those are called Vibhakti forms or forms of the cases. Examples are given here. See. Eshaha mama hastaha, meaning Eshaha means this. In English, how this, that, these determinants are available, like that in Sanskrit also. Etad means this and tad means that. These determinants are available. Tad, etad, these forms are used as Sarvanamani also. These are actually Sarvanamani, but they are used as determinants also. Eshaha, this, mama, my, hastaha, this is my hand, meaning Eshaha mama hastaha means. Okay? In case of this, say Eshaha mama hastaha, this is my hand. My hand. My is not preposition. It is related to my. It is related to which vibhakti? Shashti vibhakti of. When I say this is my hand, means actually this hand is of me. This only I want to say, of me. Okay? So it is related to Shashti vibhakti shashti case. But hastaha, see, hasta. My means mama. But hasta, this is my hand. In English, I say, this is my hand. My is not preposition. Okay? Hand, parts of speech, hand, it is noun. Okay? And any preposition is not added. So which vibhakti is available here? That easily you can understand. See, prathama. Because any preposition we are not getting before the noun. This is my hand. My is not preposition. It is related to pronoun. Okay? So just noun is available. Any preposition is not added. So it is prathama. Prathama vibhakti. This is prathama vibhakti form. Hastaha. Okay? Then Sharadayaha haste veena shobhate. Meaning of this sentence is Shobha. Shobha means to look beautiful. Veena, one string instrument in the hand of goddess Sharada Saraswati. Veena, if as it is this word we use, Veena looks beautiful in the hand of goddess Saraswati. This is the translation. So haste means in the hand, we say. So in the hand, so before hand, hand noun, but before hand, in, this preposition is added. And in preposition is related to which vibhakti? Saptami. See, on, in, these prepositions are there, in the hand. So in the hand or haste, this form is related to which vibhakti? You understood, it is related to Saptami. So Saptami vibhakti form it is. Hastasya bhushanam danam. Ornament of the hand is danam, donation. So hastasya, hastasya devasya we are getting off, because which translation I told you. Hastasya bhushanam danam. Ornament of hand is donation. So of hand. So shashti, of preposition is added. So this is a shashti vibhakti form. And hastat ghataha patati. Pata means to fall and ghata means vessel. Hasta means hand. Pel or vessel falls down from the hand. So from the hand. From is related to Panchami. Okay? Hastat, Devat. Devat, Hastat. So hasta, finally only vowel we get. So it declines like Deva only. So when you will learn this table, hasta, this table also easily you can prepare. So hastat ghataha patati. Hastat is related to Panchami. Okay? So it is Panchami vibhakti form. So this year in first term Akaranta Deva table we will study, you have to learn. Akaranta Napusak Lingam Vana table also you have to prepare. And Akarantam Mala table. Akarantam, akar, anta means end. At the end, akar is this. So deva, only we are getting, no? Vana, only we are getting. And 3 genders are there. In other languages also 3 genders are there. Pullingam, Strilingam, Napusakalingam. Masculine, feminine and neuter. In first term, Deva, Vana and Mala. These tables you have to learn very well. One by one I will discuss with you. Okay. So this table, again see, these are vibhaktis when we form the sentences, sometimes certain prepositions we use in the sentence. So you are able to understand those prepositions are related to which vibhaktis. Prathama, any preposition is not added. Dvitiya, to. Tritiya, by. Chaturthi, to and for. Panchami, from. Shashti, of. Saptami, on and in. Sambodhanam is not the separate vibhakti. Okay. So see here. Devaha, devavu, devaha. 3 vachanani or numbers are there in Sanskrit. Ekvachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. Generally, ekvachanam and bahuvachanam we get singular and plural. But in Sanskrit, ekvachanam means singular, dvivachanam dual, and bahuvachanam plural we get. Okay, in next AV I'll discuss with you. Okay, bye.